So I'm just sharing off my screen and we are good to go. All right. So let me quickly set up the context for the day, that what all we will be discussing out in today's workshop and what all the topics we'll be touching upon. So number one will be knowing about your societies, that what all societies do exist out in your college. And I have seen that a lot of diverse people are here from colleges like Hindu, Hansraj, Miranda, and a lot of other names were there from South Campus, North Campus. So today we'll be exploring out what all college societies are there. Next, we will be jumping upon the selection process, that what are the steps in the selection process involved. Finally, I'll be touching upon some evaluation parameters, because I circulated out a Google form and many of you asked that what do they see in a candidate before selecting or rejecting. So this is exactly what we'll be discussing out in detail. Then we will be moving on to the type of question asked. कि interview में पूछते क्या है ये लोग? All right, this is one thing that I'll be touching upon. And finally, I'll be sharing out some important tips and tricks that have helped me out, and that will be very useful for you guys as well. And towards the end of the video, I will be taking a Q&A session where we will be interacting one-on-one. So stay tuned for that. All right. So let's restart. So the first on the bucket, we have know all your societies. So I believe that before joining any society, it's very important to understand the purpose for which you are joining it. That what is the main reason for which you are joining that society? What is the future prospects? कि मैंने एक society join तो कर ली, but how is this society going to help me with my future endeavors? And some of you ask कि कितनी society join कर सकते हैं? There is no limit as such. You can join out as many societies as you can. बस एक tip है मेरी side से या एक point है, just remember that. I have realized this over a time that we are investing our most valuable asset, that is time. हम सोसाइटी को अपना सबसे वैल्यूएबल एसेट इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सो इट शुड बी वर्थ इट. अगर लग रहा है कि काम चल रहा है, इफ आई एम लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी, well and good, go ahead with it. But in case you feel like it's not working out, please don't. All right, let me just come on to what all various societies are there, because हमें conventional societies पता होती हैं कि म्यूजिक, डांस, ड्रामा ये सब, but बहुत fascinating clubs भी हैं that you guys should definitely try out. Number one, we have finance and investment cell. So what this, I will be providing you थोड़ा सा brief कि हर एक society का क्या function होता है. So in finance and investment cell, you know, they impart knowledge on the financial literacy. If you are somebody who is really into financial concepts, you know, अगर तुम्हें Bitcoin पसंद है, तुम्हें blockchain technology पढ़ना पसंद है, या फिर if you like stock markets and investing and all that, so definitely you should try your hand in the finance and investment cell. This is like one of the place to be at. अब Enactus के बारे में many of you asked in the Google Forms कि Enactus होता क्या है. Let's have a look at Enactus as well. So Enactus is an acronym for entrepreneurship, action, and us. Entrepreneurship, action, and us, these three words form the gist of Enactus. All right. Yes, just a second. Yeah, so that's the gist of Enactus. And Enactus में करते क्या है? It's all about social entrepreneurship. क्या होता है? एक कम्युनिटी होती है, अंडर प्रिविलेज कम्युनिटी होती है, जिसके अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए, जिसके एम्पावरमेंट के लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं. वी प्रिपेयर आउट प्रॉपर बिजनेस मॉडल्स फॉर द सेम. वी डू प्रॉपर मार्केटिंग, पूरा कस्टम ये डिमांड एनालिसिस, मार्केटिंग एनालिसिस, ये सब वी कैरी दैट आउट इन Enactus. All right, so like that's a wonderful place to be in. और कम्युनिटी डिपेंड कर सकती है, लाइक इट कुड बी ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी, इट कुड बी द एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर्स, जिसके लिए हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. ऑलराइट, दैट्स मच. Now placement cell is one of the most beautiful places to be at. हर एक इंडिविजुअल को who is present out in the society, I will highly encourage you to apply to placement cell, because इसमें क्या होता है, you tap out companies and you invite them to come to Ramjas. तो क्या हो रहा है, you are directly interacting with the HR of the company, and that is a learning process in itself. So I will highly encourage all of you to apply to placement cell. Next, we have Dance Society. It's explanatory. If you're somebody into dance, then go and apply that out. Drama Society, from the holistic development of an individual, join kar sakte ho. You will get to learn a lot of new things. You will get to learn voice modulation, how to expose yourself, and all that stuff. Next, we have Music Society. If you are a music buff, go and try your hand in that. Career and Development Cell kya hota hai? Some of you are asking. So career and development cell, it's all about, you know, providing you a finish direction for the future. So इसमें बहुत सारे guest speakers आते हैं जो कि आपको बहुत सारे facets पे they touch upon it, and regarding the future study abroad options, regarding the future development, corporate communications. So it's all about your development, as the name suggests. Next, we have Film and Photography Society. Name explanatory hai. Quiz society mein a lot of quizzing is there. We have Debating Society. अगर आपको as an individual अपने आप को polish करना है, best place to be in Debating Society. NSS है, Literary Society है, MUN we have, Model United Nations. UPSC के लिए जो लोग prepare कर रहे हैं, you can definitely try your hand in UPSC way. Next, we also have this Fine Arts Society. Illuminar Council is there, which is like, it's a place where a lot of guest speakers come and they give lectures. Marketing Society is also there. Consulting Society is also there. Both of them are really fascinating. So just try karo, explore karo. Societies mein apply karo. Don't be hesitant. Don't be reluctant in applying to them. And let's see aage kya hota hai. All right. Let's jump on to the selection process. Ki selection kaise karte hain society mein? So there are 3 steps involved mainly. Number 1 is the Google form. Number 2 is the group discussion or the practical round. And number 3 is finally the personal interview. So just be society ke interview mein you will be sitting out. Most of them will have these 3 steps. But some of them will have like first step and personal interview. So depend karega kaun si society mein you are applying. अब देखो Google form के लिए some of the important points you have to keep in mind. सबसे पहले keep an eye on the social media handles of the society to which you are applying. Now I want to apply to, let's say, consulting society. So how will I get to know that consulting societies are accepting the applications and all? It is through the social media handles. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा actively follow कर लेना pages को जाके. Must have appropriate length and structure. So now the question comes कि Google form में how should we answer? How should we answer the questions in Google form? So like this is one of the concerns. I'll be just taking that up. So honestly, answer करने का structure, proper structure नहीं होता. Structure in the sense means don't write one-liners or two-liners in it. I'll just clarify it with help of an example. So let us say that you are applying to Enactus. Okay. And in Google form a question hai, why do you want to apply to Enactus? बहुत सारे लोग, you might have encountered this question. Now, a bad example would go something like, I want to apply to Enactus because I want to learn and grow. This would be like a bad answer. Or another bad answer would be like, I find it very interesting and that's why I want to apply to Enactus. So come on, guys, this is not justified. This is not what you should be writing in that application form because it will get you rejected in the first round. Ab ek good example, perfect nahi main kahungi, it's like a good example of how to go about it. I'll just read that out to you. So let's say you're applying to Enactus. I'm just taking for example. So it goes like, I want to apply to Enactus because I'm really passionate about social entrepreneurship. This position or this role, it demands skills such as creative thinking, problem solving, conflict resolution, and I strongly believe that I possess the skill set which is required to excel in this role. If given a chance, I will put my skills to the best possible use, and this is how I can do value addition to the society. They are not concerned about, me. Don't tell them ki main ye hu. Tell them how you can help them out in the society, how you can contribute to their society. Value add kaise karne wale ho? This is the point that you have to emphasize in all your answers. All right. So you have to tell ek line mein ki kyun apply karna hai. दूसरे लाइन में mention about the skills that these are the skills that I possess. Maybe I am very good in the persuasive communication. Maybe I am very good at handling conflicts. So just highlight your skills. And finally, what is the value that you will be providing to that particular society? ऐसे आपको अपना answer structure करना है if you are filling out the Google form. I hope I'm clear on this. Now coming on to the group discussion or practical round. So guys, group discussion, we have this common misconception कि group discussion is all about checking the knowledge. जिस बंदे को ज़्यादा आता है, he will nail the group discussion round. But this is not the case. They are not testing your knowledge. I am referring to the seniors जो आपका interview लेंगे, okay? So they are not testing out your knowledge. They are testing out how wisely you present your argument. Why am I saying so? Is because you have to put your point of view. At the same time, you have to respect the point of view of the second person. All right. For that, this is one thing that you should keep in mind. Topics can be related to the current happenings or controversial. कुछ भी हो सकता है, बहुत ही basic topic मिल सकता है. Like, should teachers be friendly? Yes or no? So some students will point out their arguments in favor of this. Some of them will point out in against of this. So you can get any topic, controversial भी हो सकता है, happening, मतलब current happening से related भी हो सकता है. Now I will be sharing some tips for the GD which you can use out as an individual. So देखो GD, if you initiate the GD, yes, definitely you grab out the attention of all the persons available out there or present out there. But GD initiate तभी करना when you are confident enough on the topic. अगर subject का पूरा knowledge है, initiate out the GD, well and good. But in case you are not well versed with the topic, wait. अगर कुछ भी नहीं आता ना GD में, the best answer, the best solution is that चुपचाप बैठ के सुनो what others are saying. And one technique that I use in GDs and all, for example, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता इस topic के बारे में. So how will I nail that? I carefully sit down. I listen to the arguments of other persons कि ये लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, right? So, and whenever you get this opportunity, just step in and step like, I have 3 points to make. I have 3 points to make. And the moment when you say this, when you use this quantitative and qualitative figure, it sort of triggers everybody. You will instantly grab everybody's attention and then put out your point. I think this is very important thing. This is a very vital thing. These are the possible benefits, or this is how it can help us, and this is the future of it. So, ऐसे करके अगर कुछ भी नहीं आता आपको, you can nail out the GD. Okay, this is like a 3 number. 3 number is very magical, so you can use this tip. अगर कुछ भी नहीं आता, I have 3 points to make. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and it's all sorted. एक दो बार appearance दे देना. Now, topics that you can prepare in advance. जो current topics हैं, वो ज़्यादा पूछे जाएंगे. So, what are the topics that you can prepare? Number 1 is the impact of COVID on global or Indian economy. So, recently, finance minister का interview आ रहा था. So, in Hindi में था वो. So, you can go through that एक बार इस पे knowledge लेने के लिए. Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. Today, everybody is talking about Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. And जो लोग finance and investment cell का interview देने वाले हैं, make sure you go through this topic once. Next is social media, boon or bane, virtual learning, honi chahiye, nahi honi chahiye. So that's about group discussion. Now, personal interview. This presentation is all about personal interview. पूरा उसको depth में analysis करेंगे. But as of now, personal interview, it will be around 15 to 25 minutes. So be prepared for that period of time. I hope I'm clear so far. I can't see your chats. Guys, I'll take the questions later on. So please don't worry. I'll take the questions later on. Now let's jump on to the evaluation parameters. Evaluation parameters मतलब society में what do they judge? What do they see in an individual कि इसको select करना है या इसको नहीं select करना है? So there are some important parameters. So I think that yesterday I was conducting out in orientation, and in that one student pointed out that I don't think that personal interview is the right way, because जिस बंदे का communication अच्छा नहीं है, he will not be able to sail through that. So, revolving my answer around that, apart from your communication skills, there are a lot of other factors which are considered while assigning or while allotting whether you will be making it to the society or whether you will not. So, कौन से parameters हैं? Let's explore them out. Number 1, देखो communication skills important है. Command over language and your ability to express your views. So, whatever you are thinking, so are you able to portray your thoughts beautifully? अब अपने thoughts को portray कैसे करोगे? Through your language, through your words, and they should be like up to the mark. And communication skills, it's something that you learn. It's not inbuilt. I believe it's something that you learn eventually over the time. Next, we have body language. It's about the sitting style. If I just lean backward, or if I just shift on my torso from the computer screen to like left ways or right ways. So it's about the sitting style. Sit comfortably, be comfortable. Eye contact. Eye contact is like one of the most essential parameters, and I don't have to emphasize upon this. You all know this. Exactly. Yeah. Listening styles and gestures. Listening भी होनी चाहिए, gestures भी होने चाहिए. Remember, there's a difference between listening and hearing. So you have to listen. You don't have to hear. You have to listen. All right. Now, ये बहुत important topic है. I'll be covering them in a detailed manner in the upcoming slides. Now, let's also talk about the personality. They also assess what kind of person is that, and how is that done? How is the personality assessed? That is through the greetings and the mannerism. That is through the greetings and guys, who is doing this? That is the personality. Okay, greetings and mannerism. So whenever you are meeting your seniors now, don't address them as sir, ma'am, bhaiya, didi. Instead, use their name. So for example, if I am taking this workshop, don't address me as Didi and ye sab, ma'am and sir, ye sab. Still take my name, because when you take the name of a person, it's like way too influential than calling a general salutation for that person. So this is one thing that you should take care of. Next is general awareness. Guys, who is doing this? Wait. Yeah. So next is the general awareness. Whatever is happening around you, deen duniya ka thoda pata hona chahiye that was what is going on around you. Next is the clarity of goals and vision. What is the clarity of goal and vision? That means whenever you are entering the society, एक छोटा सा goal लेके चलो. That it could be anything. It could be your personal. It could be related to the society, and keep on emphasizing upon that point. And finally, commitment towards the society. जिस भी society के interview के लिए you will be appearing, there will be one common question, that how much time will you be able to commit towards this particular society? So how are you supposed to go about it? You have to convey this message that this particular society will be my utmost priority, and these are the things that I'll be introducing or I'll be inculcating in the society. So these are about the evaluation parameters. अब इनमें से दो important है, your communication skills and body language. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. Guys, this meeting may end in 10 minutes. I think we'll have to rejoin it. So just be ready for that. All right. Now let's also talk about the do's and don'ts. Communication skills. Many of you asked that communication skills kaise improve kare. So here are some of the tips that I'm presenting you out on using which you can improve your communication skills. Number one, listen carefully to the questions. Because when you listen carefully, you get a better clarity ki kya pucha ja raha hai and what am I supposed to answer. So many a times we get confused, na ki pucha kuch aur tha and we reply something else. So that's why it's important to listen to the question carefully, right? It's okay to ask for clarification, but please avoid interrupting the interviewer. Interviewer don't cut the person or the boy or girl that is taking your interview in between. Wait for him or her to finish and then pour in your thoughts. So this is like the correct way of approaching it. Next, we have keep all your answers positive. All your answers positive means, try to reflect those positive vibes. Wait, let me, somebody is misbehaving. Let me throw that out. Throw him or her out of the meeting to join it. All right. I have a lot of interesting things to cover. So let's begin. Keep all your answers positive. Ab ye positive kaise rakhein? I'll just tell you. For example, if you get late due to internet connection or maybe due to any other reason, instead of saying that, sorry, I got late, how can you say, thank you for your patience? Right? So this is how you transfer your negative traits into like a positive one. So always try to inculcate that positivity. Always try to reflect that positive vibes, those positive words and all that. All right. Show enthusiasm. This word, I should have used it in capital. This is the most important. You should be enthusiastic enough to join any particular society. ठीक है? तुम्हें बताना है that, what, I'm really enthusiastic about this. Guys, today I'm really enthusiastic for this particular workshop. So just tell them, show enthusiasm. And during that time, bring about a mild smile on your face and be cheerful. Use your gestures, use your body language to communicate well. All right. Don't show sign of nervousness. अब देखो signs of nervousness क्या होते हैं? I believe that all of us have watched that show called Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, right? We all are aware of it. And in that, we have this character called Babri. So I hope you guys are aware of it, no? And whenever she is nervous, she has a dialogue that galti se mistake ho gaya. In that time, if you observe carefully, that fidgeting of hands, that the cracking of knuckles, that nail biting, all these gestures, they show nervousness. Don't show signs of nervousness. So these were the signs of nervousness, like crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting of hands, nail biting. Ye sab nahi karna, or sitting like this in front of the screen with both your hands, palms over your face. So all these gestures you should be avoiding. Ask relevant question whenever the opportunity arises. Okay, one more golden tip I'm disclosing out. Towards the end of the interview, so the seniors will ask you a question that, do you have any other queries or concerns? So at that time, that is your opportunity to make out a last impression. So how to go about it, how to tackle that, what you guys can do is, किसी भी society की Instagram page पे आप जाओ, जिसको भी आपको apply करना है, just research about what all activities they have done in the past. उससे you will get a very good idea कि किस तरह से you have to navigate your interview. You will be your own driver. You will be your own boss in that interview. Whatever you will be speaking out, whatever in which way you would like to mold it, the seniors will mold it that way. So इस तरह से just get a basic glimpse through the Instagram handle of that particular society also. Now let's talk about body language. When I was appearing for the interview 1 year back, I was like, Zoom पे है क्या ही body language, assess करेंगे. But body language plays a very important role, and out of them, the most relevant ones I have noted down for all of you. So let us say the positive signals and negative signals. Body language, I hope all of you know that how you communicate through your gestures, through your posture, through your voice and all that. So this is like the body language. A body language where you have two important signals that you can communicate. Number one is positive signals, and number two, the negative signals. All right. Guys, please put yourselves on mute. So let's talk about the positive signals. तुम्हें interview में you have to use all these things and you have to avoid using the negative signals. All right, let's just let me emphasize upon the positive signals. So number one, whenever you are interested, this is a tip that I'm sharing with you. Whenever you are interested in a conversation, in a topic, just lean forward. Whenever you have to emphasize upon a topic, upon a point, just lean forward. Computer screen पे थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ. Just bend your angle a bit. And this is what shows the other person that you're really interested in the conversation. You're really glued to that topic. So, whenever, be it general communication with person to person or be it in an online setup, जब भी कुछ emphasize कर रहे हो, just lean forward. All right. This is first tip from my side. Number two, smiling is equals to friendly. Whenever you have like a smiley face, it communicates the interviewer that you are really, really interested out in particular. You're a friendly person, right? If you smile, it communicates that you're a friendly person. Next, we have nodding. That is equals to attentiveness and alert. So interview screen pay, you just keep on nodding. Whenever your interviewer is speaking something, just keep on nodding. Yes, got it. Yes. So this is like ज़्यादा भी nod नहीं करना है फिर कोई पागल बताएगा. So it's like limited nodding होनी चाहिए because that's a positive signal that you'll be sending out to the second person. Next is eye contact. Eye contact क्यों important होता है? Because it tells us that you're really cautious. You're really focused. It said that, your eyes, they are the flag bearers of your first impression. So through eyes, you can do wonders. So just maintain a positive body language, use eye contact, make eye contact, nod a bit, keep a friendly smile, and lean forward whenever you're emphasizing something. You can use both your hands to emphasize something. So whenever you're emphasizing, thoda dono haathon ko, you can just bring them forward for emphasizing any particular point or topic. Let's cover the negative signals also. Guys, I think you will have to rejoin the meeting. Just 2 minutes are remaining, so let me just cover it. So negative signals, leaning back. Opposite, if you are leaning forward, you are interested in something. If you are leaning backward, you are showing your discomfort, you are showing your negligence towards something. Crossed arms, it's like a defensive positive language. अगर आपने अपने arms close कर लिए, that is like आपने अपनी body close कर ली. You are not inviting anyone to have a conversation. So please, online setup में or even in offline setup, please do not go with your arms closed. Next, we have fidgeting hands is equals to nervous and bored. Hands से कुछ moment करना, curling your hair or cracking your knuckles. All these are a sign of nervousness or that you are getting bored as a person. So please avoid doing this. Next, we have lack of eye contact. It shows your untrustworthiness and it shows that you should not be trusted by the society members. All right. So now let us come to the most important part. Just if you all have assembled out here, that what type of questions are asked. What type of questions are asked in an interview? So my dear friends, there are broadly 3 categories of questions that will be asked from you. All right. Let me just walk you through them. सबसे first type होता है the persona questions. Number 1, the persona questions. Number 2, the EQ questions. I hope that all of you are aware of IQ, intelligent quotient. What is EQ? EQ is your emotional quotient or your emotional intelligence. Number 2 questions will revolve around the EQ or your emotional intelligence. And finally, there will be questions related to your society in the interview. So I am just covering them all in a very general approach, and then I will specifically target some things. All right. So now introduce yourself. So you all heard that recording, how she presented out, how she introduced herself. This is one way of going about the same. Some important tips, it should be like 30 seconds around, it should be around 30 to 45 seconds. Don't stretch it beyond 1.5 minutes, 1 minute and 2 minutes. Don't just keep on speaking about yourself. There has to be a proper time constraint to it. Your skills should be clearly mentioned. जो भी तुम्हारे skills हैं, you know what could be your skills? It could be creative arts. It could be you're very good at designing. It could be you're very good at persuasion. It could be your communication skills. It could be your networking skills, your friendly nature. Highlight those skills while introducing yourself. And there should be a goal. Always mention about the goal. You know, I have this goal in life. This is what I want to pursue. And through this society is a stepping stone for the same. So this is what you have to tell in the personal introduction. So I'll just read out one more sample to you because a lot of you pointed out this question. So, hi, my name is XYZ and I am currently pursuing dash from dash. All throughout my schooling days, I have been academically inclined student. On the front of my extracurriculars, I possess strong leadership skills as I have been the head boy of my school. And I have also participated in various clubs like economics club and literature club and dance club. And I would like to define myself as a determined and passionate individual who is always committed to a goal that he's trying to pursue. My leadership skills and compassionate and inclusive team player characteristic will allow me to be a positive contributor to this society. So by having a glance at these both introduction, I hope there are no more doubts on how to introduce yourself. So basically, सबसे पहले बताओ what you are. If I'm introducing myself, who is Shagun? What is the background of her? So what is the background? What are the skills that she possesses? What are the characteristics that she has? And how is she gonna benefit to the society? What is the positive factor? What is the positivity that she's bringing to the society? So all these points must be highlighted in your introduction. I hope I'm clear on this point. Now coming upon strengths and weaknesses, all of you should be very clear on your strengths and weaknesses. Guys, okay, I would like to disclaim something. I'm covering it in a very general way. इसके बाद I will be interacting one-on-one and we will be talking about specific questions. कि specific क्या-क्या पूछा जा सकता है. So meanwhile, keep your answers ready in the brain. So I'll be communicating with some of you. So strengths and weaknesses. This is something that you all should be aware of. कि मेरी क्या-क्या strengths हैं, मेरी क्या-क्या weaknesses हैं. अब some examples I'm presenting you out. For strengths आप क्या लिख सकते हो? You can mention about your collaborative approach. You can mention that I am very friendly and I love to work in a team. You know, I. Instead of using I, use we. You know, I love to work with a team and together we can take the society to greater heights. This is how you have to frame out your questions to grab the attention of the interviewers or the selectors, right? Next is persistence, that I am really a persistent candidate. And look, this is my academic record. I have excelled in all of them. So this is how you have to substantiate by giving proper examples. And your innovative approach. अगर आप किसी placement cell में, placement नहीं, e-cell में, entrepreneurship cell में, या फिर Enactus में अगर आप apply कर रहे हैं, focus upon your innovation, right? I'm a very innovative kid, or I'm a very innovative boy, or a very innovative girl. I tried this out. This was the outcome. So focus upon innovation. Next, we have flexibility, that I'm very flexible. Whatever is given to me, I know this, I know this, I know this. So I am very flexible all throughout. Next is one more things that societies are focusing upon is empathetic leadership. So empathy is like how well you understand the feeling of others. So you can also, like, this could be like a wonderful point in your strengths, empathetic person. Next, we have organizational skills and dedication. So these are some of the examples of strengths. Well, you guys, you can have your own strengths and weaknesses. Weakness में देखो, weakness को भी there is a very tricky way in which we present out weakness. किसी भी society में जाके you cannot say, you know what, I'm a very shy girl. I don't love to interact with people. You cannot give this answer. You know, I'm very introvert. I face difficulty in approaching to people. This is not a weakness that you can mention. They'll say that, what are you doing in the society? Just go back. So, you know, weakness को भी बहुत ही cleverly आपको design करना है. Present out your weakness. Tell them that this is something that I'm doing to work upon it, to sort of work on my weakness, and this is the result that I have achieved. So, for example, you can mention about self-criticism. You can say, इसको भी positive way में you have to draft it out. Negative कुछ भी नहीं करना. Take it positive. Weakness भी तभी बतानी है जब कोई पूछे. अपने आप से don't tell the weakness. So self-criticism, you know, I am the biggest critic of myself. So I always, you know, I love to reflect upon the work that I do, and I try to figure out the possible ways in which I could have done the work potentially well. So in that way, I end up improving from my previous performance. So this is like one way in which you can thread out your answer. Next is that I'm too detail oriented. This is one thing that you can use out. Next is I have trouble asking for help. I feel like I am I am capable for all the activities. And I think that sometimes I face difficulty in approaching to the people. And this is how I'm trying to work on it, because when you interact with people, you get exposure to their experience as well. So I have acknowledged this thing, and now I am trying to eradicate this from my weakness as well. Or आप ये भी बोल सकते हो that I am a person who loves to take initiative. Like this could be like one thing, that I'm a person who loves to take initiative, but sometimes I end up taking a lot of responsibilities. And so this is like one of my weaknesses, but I am working on it by prioritizing the task and setting proper deadlines for the same. So I hope you're getting the crux what I'm trying to communicate. ऐसे आपको अपने answers frame करने हैं. लीडरशिप रोल्स या पोजीशन ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, स्कूल में प्रीफेक्ट रहे हो, कोई कंपटीशन जीता है, स्टेट लेवल पे ओलंपियाड मैच हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, IMO, NSO, ये सब. इफ यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड आउट, write them in your in your achievements, or speak them out कि I achieved this thing and this is the proof of my credibility. So that's it. About your hobbies and interests, सबकी hobbies होती हैं, सबके interest होते हैं. You can point out your hobbies, and whenever you're mentioning about your hobbies na, just lean your body towards the screen and use both your hands to emphasize upon the same. So for hobbies, you can say, I like to play table tennis and I love doing creative arts. So this is something, the other person will also be pleased by the activity. Interest could be anything. So for example, my interest, it's like staring at the early morning skies. It could be any interest of your choice. You can mention these things. अब आते हैं इमोशनल क्वेश्चन और EQ पे. So what is EQ? Let me just frame that. Let me explain to you in simple terms. So EQ is the ability to control your emotions and behavior, and at the same time understand the emotions and behavior of the other person. ठीक है? Society में तुम लोग collectively काम करोगे. It's not you cannot put forward your thoughts. You cannot impose your thoughts on the other person. So that's why EQ is all about self-awareness. Guys, please put yourselves on mute. So EQ is about self-awareness. What are my thoughts? What are my perspectives? What are my priorities? And at the same time, acknowledging the priorities, the thoughts, the importance of the other person's thought. So this is emotional questions, EQ questions. So अब कौन से questions could be asked to you in the society interview? सबसे पहले तो problem solving. Let us say that you are organizing a webinar and आपका friend was the host for it. But at the last moment, he didn't turn up for the same. So how are you going to tackle this situation? All right, this is like one possible question. ऐसे ही there could be like numerous questions. I'm just giving you some examples. Next is conflict resolution. Questions can be around, there is a fight going on between two of your team members. There's a conflict going on between them. What steps will you take to resolve the conflict? इनके answers, I will discuss them personally with you. अभी समझ लो क्या-क्या questions पूछे जा सकते हैं. Emotional management or impulse control. So for example, there could be situation where you could be, very happy, or where you could be very angry. So उस situation में how are you going to navigate? Decision making. कोई भी ऐसा situation आ सकता है that you have to, you have this presence on LinkedIn, you have presence on Instagram. You have to decide whether you will be launching out your YouTube channel or not. So there could be like a decision making कि करना है या नहीं करना. This is decision making. Empathy and social skills, वही है कि आप दूसरों के feelings को कितना you are able to acknowledge them. One is this, and taking responsibility. These are the traits that will be assessed, or these are the points around which the questions will be fabricated. So taking responsibility कि अगर let's say Shagun, you have not done anything, you have not done this task till date, and this is something new that you have to try out. So तुम कैसे approach करोगे उसे, or what are the steps that you will take? So these were some of the EQ questions. I'll be discussing them in detail. अब आती है third category of question related to the society. अब society में why do you want to join this society? I think I read out the answer on Enactus कि मैं passionate हूँ, these are my skills, ये मेरा vision है, and this is the value addition that I can do to the society. This is how you have to frame out a perfect answer for yourself. One-liner avoid करना, try to make it into 4 to 5 sentences, around 50 to 60 words. That's the ideal range. How will this society help you achieve your career objectives? All those people who are applying for the music society, for the dance society, for the drama society, you will be asked, you can be asked this question that how are you planning to take this up as your career? So one smart answer would be that, this is something that I'm here to explore about. I want to know what are the prospects of music, or what does music holds for me in the future. So this is something that you can highlight. This is something that you can enunciate. How will you contribute to the society? Apni skills highlight karna, and yeah, that's it. Why should we select you? This is point we'll be discussing out. How will you manage between multiple societies? Be ready for all this question, everyone. This will be asked to most of you, that how will you manage between multiple societies? So this is one thing that you should take care of, and initiatives that can be taken to expand the reach. Now, I have been a member of various societies. There are some important tips that I want to share with you all. And iske baad one-on-one interaction karenge. Maza aayega. So let me disclose out all the golden tips that I have for you in my basket today. So number one, a good impression. So this is like a very cliched phrase, ki first impression is the last impression, but it is very true. So how do we create out a very good first impression? It could be built with the following 3 points. Sabse pehle, a confident and cheerful greeting, a smiling face and eye contact. Remember these 3 golden rules whenever you're approaching. Hey, good morning, Shagun. How are you doing? How's life? How are things? So all these things you can use to create out a very good first impression. एक और golden tip है, use examples in your answer. Mention about your extracurriculars or any other skills that you're good at. So कोई भी अगर तुम्हारी skill है, कोई भी achievement है, highlight it, mention it, because just boast proudly about it. That ये मैंने करा था, this is what I achieved, and this has been the outcome. Reflect it, because this shows the credibility of a candidate. This is something important. Ensure that the interviewer has understood what you are trying to say, and vice versa. I know sometimes we get too overexcited when we hear a question. For example, what is your weakness? And we start, as soon as we hear the word weakness, something triggers and we start bouncing, this is weakness, this is weakness. But first of all, let your interviewer finish. Ki wo pooch kya raha hai? Maybe he's adding a second part to it, B part to it. Just wait patiently, stay calm, and this will create out a very powerful personality for you. Next is talk about your school honors and achievements. Sab flaunt karna. You can mention them out. This is like the golden page. Puri slide ka jo gist hai, I am summarizing this in these 4 to 5 points. Highlight the following points. Answer. Interview ho sakta hai, Google form ho sakta hai. Sabse pehla, skills and strengths. Kya tumhari skills hain? What are your strengths? Number 2, problem solving skills. Tell them you are a great problem solver. You are a great innovator. Great in the sense, example deke prove kar dena. I am not asking you to flaunt out very much. Third is learning attitude. This is perhaps the most important trait. If I am recruiting out members for my society, I will choose the one who has learning attitude. This is by far the most important trait, learning attitude. Tell them, what, I'm here to learn. I'm here to explore this field of digital marketing, or I'm here to explore out consulting. And this is why I'm very enthusiastic, and this is why I want to take this up. So showcase that learning attitude, reflect it through your thoughts, through your whatever you vocalize. Team player, it's another important characteristics, because sari society mein, if you are not a good team player, then you will not be able to survive out there. Team player is one. And technical skills. So this is like all those persons who are available out there. If you are good at designing, if you are good at web development, you are going to get a special recruitment. So in most of the societies, I cannot guarantee for all the societies, but agar aapko graphic designing aati hai, web development aata hai, so in all that cases, you will be given a special recruitment. So that's it. This was all from my side for today. Now I'll be taking up the Q&A session, and we'll be discussing upon some important questions. All right. I can take out your doubts, some of your doubts if you have right now. You can start pouring in your doubts and questions. Pros and cons of joining a society. Look, pros and cons, there are a lot of advantages, there are a lot of disadvantages as well. Sabse pehle advantage to yahi hai, you get to groom yourself, you get to groom your personality. I am communicating here. 1 year back, I had like execrable communication skills. Today, like my communication skills are okay type of, that is possible just because of the societies that I joined. Number 2 is that you will end up building a lot of connections. Talking honestly, mere apni class se zyada dost mere society wale. So this is another advantage. You get a lot of networking skills, and number 3, you develop some skills. अब depend करता है कौन सी society में तुम जा रहे हो, कौन सी society में नहीं जा रहे. And disadvantages यही होता है यार, कुछ societies बहुत time consuming होती हैं. For example, drama society. in Actors Placement Cell, in sub mein, you will have to dedicate a major chunk of your time to these societies. So that's why, this could be like a drawback for joining the societies. What if they get offended by the name? No, I don't think they will get offended. They, if you will call them sir or ma'am, kar lena, but they will ask you to take the proper name itself. How to improve this? Sorry. I fumble and face lack of words while speaking during the. It's okay. Same is the case with me. Didn't I fumble today? I fumble a lot while speaking, but it's okay. As far as you are able to compensate for it, it's all right. I am from Miranda. I want to join DebSoc badly. Please tell me how to prepare my turn code debate on 3rd Jan. Okay. So is there any topic which is pre-assigned or you have to speak it randomly, Shweta? On the spot. Yes. So first of all, जो हम लोग प्री प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं, that is to know about the opening phrases and to know about the closing phrases and how to connect out different things. So थोड़ा सा homework करना पड़ेगा. You should research about the topics well. You have to take out that stand for proper structuring. Have you heard of this brainstorming technique? Brainstorming technique is like you brainstorm by using WH questions. What, why, when, where, what could be the possible effects? So brainstorming is a technique that can help you out in debating society a lot. I'll teach you someday. Get in touch with me. Yeah. 2 minutes. Yes. This is exactly what we do. Is it true that you get relaxation in minimum attendance if you join? No, there is no such policy. Who said, Varun? Who said this? Okay. So now I'm just taking out some of the questions. I just want you guys to answer them. Suppose ek mock kar lete hain chota sa. I am just speaking out some questions and you have to reply the answers in the chat box. Kuch questions which could possibly be asked in your interview. Ye nahi puche jayenge. I am giving you like a sample questions. You have to answer in the chat box. Okay. So the first question that I have for all of you, describe yourself in one word. All of you have to describe yourself in one word. What would that word be? Think for a second and then reply. Hard work, creative, passionate, committed, wow. Curious, optimistic. Rational, great. Creative, nice. Visionary, nice. Enthusiastic, great. Learner. Calm, innovative. Nice. Believer, yes, that's important. Optimistic, अरे वाह. Cool. Nice. All exactly. अगर कोई पूछेगा ना कि describe yourself in one word, empathetic. Yeah, Akshita, you nailed it. Great. Now just tell me any one strength of yours. One strength. What is the strength? I'll be reviewing out whether you should go ahead with it. Chat box में problem solving. That's great. Multitasking. That's very important in societies. Dedicated, quick learner. Good. Quick learning is good. Decision maker. Yes, that's like one of the most important traits that we look out for. Innovation. Nice. Laborious. Wow. Time management. Lovely. Hardworking, self-motivating. Willing to do research. Depth research. Very good. It's going to help you out in research and R&D societies mein jo apply karoge. Extrovert. Teamwork, exploring new things. Great. And if I talk about one weakness, because strengths are easy to pop up, but when it comes to weakness, we are taken aback sometimes. So what are your weakness? Impatient. Yes, exactly. But I believe that patience is something that COVID is teaching us, isn't it? Guys, you can turn on your cameras. I would like to see your lovely faces. Workaholic. Yay, cool. Okay, can't lie. Great. Okay, so if a question comes, for example, I'm your interviewer and I'm asking you that what will you do to expand the reach of our society on social media handles? So what could be the potential answers? Just pour in. What could be like the potential answers? Ye nahi aata. I'm here to help, don't worry. So agar koi question aata hai na, that how will you repeat, please. Acha. Repeat the question is that, for example, if the question is there, how will you expand the social media reach of the society? How will you create out a strong digital presence? So how will you answer this? Yes, you can unmute yourself if you wish to answer. Insta story, great. context of latest trends, good. Be in touch, Instagram Reels, PR strategy, engaging content as good answers. Perfect. Yeah. Should I mention I'm introvert? No, please don't mention introvert. Kya hota hai introvert? I don't know, many of you approach that I'm introvert. यार किसको पता है तुम कॉलेज स्कूल में इंट्रोवर्ट थे एक्सट्रोवर्ट थे कोई नहीं जानने वाला तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड क्या है. College is a time to reestablish yourself, to rejuvenate yourself. This is what I want to be. कोई नहीं जानता तुम्हारा background, were you introvert, were you extrovert, जो भी है. College में you have to reestablish yourself and interact करना सबसे. Just be open, keep your body open and welcome all the experiences and explore out as many things as you can. Live session with well-known individuals. Exactly. So what you can do is that social media, leverage social media platforms. You can use Instagram Reels. You can use, you can even launch out a blog of your own, or you can even start out some YouTube channels of your own, or this is exactly how you'll be creating out the answers. Being up to date with current social topics and making content according to it. Exactly. Being in touch, being plugged in with the latest news and happening is one thing. Okay, now let's turn on to the next question that, for example, in your team, there's a conflict going on between two members. ठीक है? तुम एक society में हो, दो members fight कर रहे हैं, conflict हो रहा है. How will you resolve that conflict? What are the steps that you will take? I'll just tell you, अगर conflict resolution का आता है ना, सबसे पहले listen to the opinions and solve issue. Exactly, Ananya, you nailed it, bro. So conduct an icebreaker session between them. Good. Try to hear both their sides and try to resolve. Good. Listening to each of them carefully. Okay, perfect answers, guys. अब कैसे बोल रहे हैं? First of all, you have to acknowledge that any sort of conflict in the society, it's bad for the society in general. So I will try to step in and resolve that conflict as soon as possible. पहले introductory line दो, ठीक है? Proper structure frame करना, introduction, main body, and then conclusion to it. So starting में you acknowledge कि this is a conflict, we need to resolve it. Next, what you have to do is that I will talk to both of them in private. And I'll try to know their point of views. I'll try to, ये गलत हो रहा है. And at the same time, I will make them acknowledge कि this is how you're possibly impacting the growth of the society. कि तुम्हारी झगड़े की वजह से, the growth is being curbed. So this is a point that you have to highlight and this all sorted for you. बहुत सारे ऐसे questions पूछे जाएंगे. So be prepared for that. All right. So that's all from my side. All the best, guys. ऐसे questions आएंगे, बिल्कुल chill रहना. Don't be nervous in that interview. Okay, just be confident. Reflect that confidence. Body language के tips I have shared. Communication I have shared. Anything else that you would like to know from me, or anyone who would like to come and interact? You guys, the floor is all yours. Hey, please tell conversation skills. I think I touched upon it.
I have literally loved the session and all the tips you have given. That will surely work. I know that. One question I had that if we get a question, for example, that person says, that interviewer says that have you decided of joining any other society? So if we specify two to three societies that we have actually planned, will that affect our chances of getting into that particular society then?
No. It's not gonna affect your chances anyway. Just tell them, be honest, I am looking forward to exploring out these societies, but I'm really enthusiastic about joining this particular society because from this society, I can do value addition in this way. तो बाकी को highlight करो, but उसको pedestal पे रखो जिसके interview में पूछा जा रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine.
Thank you. How can I get in touch with you? Yes, hi. Hi, Omkar.
Hi. I wanted to ask that I found that you have joined 4 societies, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
So how did you manage the time? Actors and FICR.
Okay.
I know that in actors it takes time.
Yes. Yes, true. So देखो, as you will, जब societies join करी थी, I was like समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. All the day I am occupied in this. पूरा दिन मैं college, उसके बाद societies, पूरा दिन ऐसे जा रहा है screen पे. सबसे पहले तो एक important tip है, तुम्हारे सबके class groups होंगे, right? उसमें पूरा दिन notification आता है, this class. उसको put that group on mute. मेरा phone तो हमेशा do not disturb पे 24/7 मेरा phone do not disturb पे रहता है. So that mental piece is there with me. Now talking about managing, देखो, it's about dividing the work. In actors, maybe तुम्हें work a lot होगा that you will have to do. ठीक है। इनएक्टर्स में जैसे मेरे पास 4 सोसाइटीज है, क्विज सोसाइटी, इट्स लाइक कभी भी क्विज आई जाके ज्वाइन कर लिया, उसमें ज्यादा बर्डन नहीं है, तो उसको हटा दो। नेक्स्ट इज इनएक्टर्स। इनएक्टर्स में दे गिव यू प्रॉपर टास्क, अब वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है तुम उसे कैसे मैनेज करके चल रहे हो। व्हेनेवर यू गेटिंग फ्री टाइम उसको ले लो, you know, do that थोड़ा थोड़ा and stuff. So just divide your work, prioritize your task कि मुझे पहले क्या करना है, first, second, third, fourth. Prioritize the task and this is how you're supposed to manage it. हो जाएगा, eventually समझ आ जाएगा। स्टार्टिंग में तो होश नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, but eventually you will learn to sail sail through it. How to, hope I
Thank you,
answered,
Shobhan.
Omkara.
Yes, you have answered, but I wanted to ask one more question. Just a second.
Okay. Please throw light on how to choose course. Are you not in college? How to choose course? Or honestly, there is no such strategy that I can give you. How to give opening and closing. School, you are in school. तो यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो भाई, अभी चिल करो यार। इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्रामा कौन सी सोसाइटी के लिए ऑफलाइन जाना जरूरी है? आई थिंक एनएसएस वाले बुला रहे हैं ऑफलाइन। एनएसएस इज वन, ड्रामा इज वन, और दीज टू आई नो, बाकी तो आई डोंट थिंक अभी ऑफलाइन कोई बुला रहा है।
Hi, Shobhan.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask, I've been planning to join Enactors and FIC as well as Pixelation. So will it be manageable?
Of course, like it totally depends upon you as an individual. See, first of all, FIC, which college you are from?
ARSD.
ARSD, great. सबसे पहले do not feel like manage नहीं हो पाएगा, do not feel like it's not gonna worth it. पहले जाओ, try करो. Because अगर तुम्हें directly वो benefit नहीं कर रहा होगा ना, there are hundreds of ways in which it will be benefiting you indirectly. तुम अगर society में you will reach out for sponsorships. You will be involved in corporate communications. तुम directly leaders से interact कर रहे होगे, और उस पूरी process में ना indirectly तुम develop कर लोगे अपने आप को. So don't feel like manage नहीं हो पाएगा, try that out. पहले try करो, अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है it's working out, well and good. If you feel like कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, burden और लग रहा है, leave it. You can leave it at any point of time. You can quit it at any point of time. So पहले try करो, explore करो. अभी वो membrane, don't create out a membrane. Break out of this bubble or break out of this membrane. Try करो, explore करो, and if you feel like work कर रहा है, go ahead. Otherwise, quit it. That's the simple answer. And yes, it will be manageable. Don't think it won't be manageable.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was a great session.
Thank you so much. Glad you liked it. How can I get in touch with regarding homework? I have to do third. Yeah. Yes, explore LinkedIn, expand connections. Yes, explore LinkedIn. I hope all of you are there on LinkedIn, right? So create out an account on LinkedIn. Please give some questions for. Guys, I cannot tell out direct questions for placement cell. जो मैंने डिस्कस करा है जनरली पूछे जाएंगे. You can be asked to pitch out your college to the company of HR. And बाकी जो डिस्कस करा है जनरली वही सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. Don't worry. Have a chill pill. Anybody else who would like to interact, because just 2 minutes are remaining for the call. If somebody would like to come and interact, I would be happy to take that up. For PCell outreach, communications, LinkedIn, emails. Yes. How to rate panelist? अरे जो मन में आए कर देना, इसमें कोई ऐसे जज नहीं होता. जो मन में आए, you can do it. How to reach out to HR? This will be taught to you once you are in the society. Don't worry about it. You will be taught all these things.
पैनलिस्ट अगर रेट कर दे 8 out of 10, तो वो पूछते कि कैसे बेटर कर सकते हैं अपना.
अच्छा,
उसको कैसे आंसर करें?
अच्छा, okay. So yeah, it depends upon the situation. It's like a situational questions. First of all, you cannot rate out 10 out of 10 because nothing is perfect. फिर 8 में you can give some suggestions. जो सेशन में से कुछ bullet points उठा लेना, that you could have asked me this, you could have asked me this. ऐसे करके you can just revolve around it. But I don't think it should affect the interview in any way. ये तो बाद में होता है, जब इंटरव्यू खत्म हो जाता है ना, then they ask to rate it. It has no direct correlation with your selection or not. How to give a perfect pitch. So every college has a unique selling proposition, right? Everything is unique about each college. For example, SRCC, like it's a name, it's about the course, it's about the professor. For my college, it's about the number of courses that we are offering. So if I have to compare Ramjas with SRCC, like, there is no comparison between the two. But one parameter on which I can make this comparison is the number of courses offered. Ramjas is offering 17 courses, while SRCC is just offering 2 courses. So this is a parameter in which Ramjas outshines SRCC. Don't take it otherwise. Just to tell you, just identify that USP of your college, and usi ko tumhe pitch karna hai. That's exactly. How can we connect? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'll be sharing out the links. Apart from that, we also have a Telegram group for internships. I'll be circulating that out. Internships ke liye you all can join it. And okay, do join out that group. That's it. It was lovely interacting. Parting thoughts, guys. Lovely session. Thank you so much. Right. I'll be sharing out the link to Telegram group, YouTube channel, and you can connect with me. Thank you so much, everyone. It was lovely interacting with you all those who came up to share their insights and all those who were very actively